we are in central London doing a wonderful job for a great client. Now this client had a concrete deck with tiles over that deck. The tiles were leaking. The tiles got removed. You can see now it got reframed from the sliding door out towards the backyard. So new framing, new sheeting, and now what we're going to install for the client is called Duradek. It's a vinyl system, great for Canadian weather. It can withstand the winters, summers, and all the seasons in between. There you go, take a look. So it comes in 6-foot wide rolls, and what you do, you adhere it. It's a contact adhesive, means you have to put the adhesive on the deck as well as the back of the vinyl. And in this section, where we have the overlaps, we heat weld the seams. So again, we're using hot air, safe for the home, safe for the homeowner. People can still stay in the house. It's not open flame, not hot asphalt. And we heat it, and we adhere the vinyl to each other. And then we have details. We'll show you. We have a wall detail there, and also some other details. We'll show you how it goes when we go. Thank you so much. Hey, Legacy Flowers and Sheet Metal. We finished the job. Turned out wonderful. This client's going to have a great new deck to be able to walk around and enjoy the winter, spring, summer seasons. Go ahead and take a look. Now this is a Duradek system. It is adhered onto the plywood. We have a drip flashing where the membrane wraps over and around the leading edge. That way water will shed over. There's no issue with water coming here. The client will now put an east trough and run water. We had a sliding door detail here. Remember, the door stayed in place the whole time. So we had a bit of work to do. We brought our membrane onto the threshold, and now they can walk outside. There we go. We have some wall details we did. The Duradek membrane came up the wall. That way in the winter snow, we don't have any leaking in that wall detail. There you go. Hope you liked it. Hope you learned something. If you're in the southwestern Ontario area, we'd love to hear from you. You can find us online at legacyroofs.com. Thanks a lot.